We got plenty of more to cover. Let's bring in Callie Lichter and Riley Mack to kind of walk us through some more debrief of this trial. A lot has happened today, ladies. What can you tell us?
Yeah, so I mean, what I've been saying, we were expecting, a mistrial could be an outcome of the past couple of weeks that we've been here at the courthouse. But I don't think any of us were really expecting that decision would come around 9:30 a.m. We know that a couple of days ago, the jury came back, told Judge Christina Mims that they were deadlocked, and she encouraged them to go back into deliberation. It's their job as jurors to come to a verdict, maybe hear each other out, find some common ground, in order to get some type of closure, what that may be, with a verdict in this case. But here, they came back today saying they were deadlocked, and instead of giving, that instruction saying go back, deliberate again on the fourth day of deliberation, it was kind of, just, all right, I'm going to declare a mistrial. You guys are dismissed. You're going to get some questions asked to you by both, the defense and the prosecution. So you'll be taken back to the room, but yeah, then you're dismissed. So, after some heated testimony, cross-examination, very high emotions in the courtroom, this kind of, there was no fireworks, no bang, as, one would describe it. It is what it is. She said it was mistrial. And that was it. But I mean, Riley was inside the courtroom when that decision was made, so she can more speak to it.
Absolutely. It's just as you described it. You expect the end of this, really high-profile case, one of the highest profile in recent Kent County history, to end with this, massive fireworks show and a verdict. For everyone to see that this is the outcome of this case, and that's not coming, at least for now. So the reaction here is kind of, one of disappointment a little bit. Both attorneys kind of spoke in their press conferences about their, kind of disappointment that there is no outcome at this point. He's not innocent, he's not guilty. And they both spoke on that. And I think that was, the question is, what did the jury do? What happened with the jury there? And both of them said this was a great jury, that the jury did their best ultimately. They took great notes, they asked great questions, they just couldn't come to that decision. So yeah, it just goes to show this, there is so many emotions about this case, and this group of 12 Kent County residents couldn't come to one.
All right, Riley Mack and Callie Lichter reporting inside Court of